Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the expansion valve for 2011 Toyota Sienna all-wheel drive. Pretty much all are the same, but I saw a lot of videos that they're doing it very wrong way. So this is the easy way how to do it. And first you remove the top plastic cover on the windshield wiper. I'm gonna show it to you. It's easy to remove this one first. When you remove this, after that is gonna be this middle piece, this one, which is you have to open just these two nuts, and on the other side also right here, and there will be some 10 millimeters right here all over. So I open it because I don't have nobody to record me. And this is the windshield wiper motors. You remove this one also, and when you remove this, you have an easy access right there to the expansion valve. Let me focus it. See right there, you can reach them. But I saw a video that they're removing this cover, all these things, which is too hard to do it. But you can easily have access now over there, and you can open the expansion valve and replace it. This is the easy way. Thank you.